Animals are everywhere in our society. You know, there are 2/3 of American households have pets. So many members of our communities consider their pets members of their families. We have more pets than people in American households. 350 million pets, about 310 million people. And what our goal is to remind people that opposition to animal cruelty is a universal value. And that if you believe that cruelty is wrong, we've got to logically apply anti-cruelty principles in this world. And isn't this a great expression of our humanity, that we can feel this empathy and connection to other creatures? If we're an animal advocate, we can't just believe that cruelty to animals is wrong. We've got to act on these beliefs.